Hi guys, we're finally in our Sea Terrace cabin on deck 14, so I thought I'd show you around a little bit. So as we come in the cabin, this is where you've got your main storage space with, of course, the lights near the door, as a lot of people found out to their confusion. Hangers, rather than those annoying ones that loop onto the security things in case you steal them. Also coming in here is a cupboard. So that's your safe and your life jackets. They've got a decent depth to them though, so you could get plenty in there. There's your packing cube storage, and we've got a full length mirror here. Feeling nautical. There's a bit of a glimpse of the main cabin with Jackie. And here on the left hand side is the bathroom. It's pretty standard for a cruise bathroom really. Normal amount of storage space. What is a shame I think here is it'd be great if this opened up into a cupboard and gave you a bit more storage space, but either way there's storage space under the sinks here. Got towels offered. I do like the addition of the makeup towels, so you're not getting your normal ones all stained. And we've got a bit of a waterfall shower going on, but I have seen other people do, so that might be an oversight in our cabin. So yeah, that's the bathroom. Going on into the main cabin, we've already got ours made up as a bed, so as has been the much talked about feature, these sea beds in the daytime transform into an L-shaped sofa. Ours is actually made up as a... I got cut off then, but yeah, this transforms into an L-shaped sofa in the daytime, but this is set up as a double bed. As twin beds, it would be set up in the L shape, so that you're sat head to head, lying head to head, sorry. We've got a TV, we've got a distinctly ironing board shaped desk here. With a little bit of storage here and the mini fridge. What has been noted by a lot of people is the lack of storage. I think I would be inclined, if I'm honest, is to keep this as a bed, so you've got the additional space to keep your suitcases underneath the bed. Hooks on the wall, which we like, we're a fan of. And then through the net curtains is actually a very decently sized balcony, if I can get the door open. One-handed, left-handed. Nice red glow. 2 seats, little table, your hammock, and plenty of leg room. And there we've got the views of the Wirral. So there you go, there's a little bit of an insight into the Sea Terrace cabins on board Scarlet Lady. We are now going to go and have an explore of the ship. We've got our passes say we've got until 9 p.m. for dinner, which we're eating in the test kitchen, and we've got dual reality in the red room at 10:30, so until then, plenty of time to explore and get to grips with some of the bars on board.